Hi, my name is Jonathan Schipper. I'm the founder and designer at Exavolt, and I'm excited to be here today to show you our newest product. It's the Kingsland Glasses 2.0. Check these things out. They're beautiful, right? A while back, I needed to get glasses for myself, and I went to a few stores, and I found a vast selection of essentially the same thing. Everything seemed to be a copy of its neighbor. They seemed to come out of the same factories, and nothing seemed unique. There was nothing I wanted to take home. So I went home, and I went home disappointed, but I went home to a machine shop full of CNC machines, and I decided I could build my own. Talked to a few optometrists. They all thought I was crazy. They all said I needed to build it a lot like everything else in their store, but I decided they were wrong. And I went to work with about 3 months working in CAD to design these. Everything was thought out. Everything was balanced against its neighbor. I wanted something unique but not garish. I wanted something built like a spacecraft is built, but something you could wear on your face, like a spaceship for your face. I think we really nailed it. These things are gorgeous. Each and every surface is beautiful and precise. If you look at the front surface, you notice something unique. You notice all these parallel lines that follow the shape of the frames. And what those are, they're the cut paths that made these glasses. CNC is a subtractive process, a lot like chiseling stone, except for instead of a chisel, you have a ball end cutter, and instead of a sculptor, you have a 10,000-pound computer-controlled milling machine. And the way it works is it slowly cuts the metal away, path by path. Imagine mowing a lawn, but this lawn is made out of aluminum, and your cut paths are about 100 microns apart. So you end up getting these beautiful lines that are on the surface, and usually those lines are milled away, but in our case, we thought they were so beautiful and reflective of the process that made them that we keep them. Everything about this is quality, and it's made to last, and I really think this is something special. We've formed this Kickstarter because we want to bring them to you, and I really appreciate you watching it, and thank you for your support, and thank you very much.